Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Outlook for beginners. To get started, open Outlook in your web browser and make sure you are on the main mail page, also known as your inbox. This is the central area where you can read incoming messages, manage conversations, and access the main tools Outlook provides. If you are new to the platform, it helps to think of the inbox as your home base, where most of your daily email activity begins. Once you are in the inbox, look near the top of the screen and click on Home. The Home section is where many of Outlook's core actions are organized. This area usually gives you quick access to common email tasks and is designed to help you work efficiently. If you are just learning the layout, spending a moment here can help you become more comfortable with how Outlook is structured. It is a good place to begin because it introduces the main command area in a simple, straightforward way. Next, click on View. The View section is useful because it controls how your mailbox appears on screen. In other words, this is where you can better understand the way Outlook presents your emails and workspace. For beginners, getting familiar with View is helpful since it affects how easy it is to read messages, browse folders, and stay organized. Even if you do not change anything right away, knowing where this section is will make navigation easier later. After that, click on Help. This is an important area, especially for anyone who is still learning the basics. The Help section is where you can find guidance, support information, and answers to common questions about using Outlook. Whenever you are unsure about a feature or need extra direction, this is one of the best places to check first. It can save time and make the learning process feel less overwhelming. Finally, take a look at the left side panel. This panel contains additional Outlook tools and related areas, such as contacts, calendar, and other connected apps or workspaces. This part of the screen is important because it shows that Outlook is more than just email. It also helps you manage your schedule, keep track of people, and move between different productivity features in one place. As a beginner, getting familiar with the left panel will help you understand how Outlook ties everything together. That's the basic layout you need to know to start using Outlook with more confidence. As you continue exploring these sections, the interface will begin to feel much more familiar and easier to use.